How to clean a cluttered bedroom. In this article I will show you how to clean a cluttered bedroom. Your bedroom is the place where you retire for the day after a long day's work, so you should ensure that this room is always neat and well maintained. A clean bedroom definitely improves your quality of sleep. If it is full of clutter and looks messy, you don't have to fret too much. Listed below are some stepwise instructions that you need to follow to get your bedroom clean and organized within an hour. More often than not, putting things back in their right places and cleaning the trash regularly will help you get rid of the clutter in your bedrooms. What do you need to get a clutter-free bedroom? A wastebasket or bin, garbage covers, laundry basket or hamper, hangers, additional bed sheets and bedding related materials like duvets, pillow covers, blankets and more, storage boxes with neat compartments for organizing essential items like keys, jewelry, cosmetics and more, any cleaner solution to remove dust, clean microfiber rags, antibacterial wipes, optional, vacuum cleaner or small broom, glass cleaner. Process: removing the trash already in the room. The first step in reducing the clutter in your bedroom is to remove the trash that's already there. Waste papers, snack packets, bottles, chocolate wrappers and more are some of the common trash that make your bedroom look very messy. Invest in a small waste basket or a garbage bin to be kept inside your bedroom. This way, you will not throw these things all over the place. Also, invest in garbage disposal bags, so that you can line your bin with a bag when you dispose of the filled garbage bag, putting away the soiled clothes. Apart from trash related to food and snacks, the other common factor that makes your bedroom look messy is clothes strewn across all over the bed, bedside table, behind the doors and other places. The best thing you can do in this case is to buy a small laundry hamper or laundry basket for your bedroom. Put the soiled clothes in these baskets, instead of throwing them all over your bedroom, and you will notice that your room has already started to look better than before. Organizing the clean clothes. Sort your clean clothes, and arrange them neatly in your wardrobe when you have the time, probably on a weekend. A few affordable hangers are all that you need to organize your clothes neatly. Keep office wear, party wear, nightwear and other clothes neatly arranged in different spaces in your wardrobes, and you will find it very easy to pick what you want, when you want them. Cleaning bed sheets, bedding and pillow covers regularly. Your bed is the most important part of your bedroom. Needless to say, it has to be neat, clean and clutter-free at all times. Even if you use your bed only for sleeping, it is a good practice to clean your bed sheets, mattress covers, duvets, blankets, comforters, pillow covers and other bedding material regularly. Twice a month is ideal. Check the washing and drying instructions of these items, so that you can do things the right way, getting rid of the unnecessary items from the surface spaces. Now is the time to keep the surface areas of your bedroom clean and clutter-free. Dressing tables, nightstand tables, tables in the bedroom and other surface areas are usually places where you scatter things like watches, mobile chargers, cosmetic items, creams and more. To get rid of this clutter, you should invest in simple storage spaces that allow you to organize these things neatly. This way, surface clutter can be reduced considerably, making your bedrooms look neat and clean, keeping the surfaces clean and free from germs and dust. Once you have cleared the items scattered on these surfaces, you have to keep them clean and free from germs and dust. You can spray a simple dust cleaner solution on a microfiber rag, and wipe it over the surfaces every day to keep them clean always. Make sure to wipe over the storage cabinets, side tables and other furniture pieces that you may have in your bedrooms, keeping the fans, lights and blinds free from dust. After you have cleaned the clutter to a large extent in your bedroom, you should now focus on the upper portions of the room. Check for the dust accumulated in the fans, light ceilings, curtains and curtain rails. Use a broom with a cloth attached to get rid of these dust particles. If you have a good duster or appropriate vacuum cleaner, you can use them to get rid of the dust. Getting the sparkle back on windows, mirrors and other glass objects in the room. The next step is to focus on the glass objects in your bedroom. This includes the windows and mirrors. Use a proper glass cleaner to get the job done properly. Spray a little bit of cleaner on a clean microfiber rag and rub over the glass to get rid of the dust and dirt accumulated there. Do this at least twice a week to make your bedroom look sparkling clean. Sweeping the room thoroughly to get rid of the clutter. You should always clean the floors of your bedroom as the last step. The dust from the fans and surfaces would fall on the floors. So, sweep thoroughly as the last step in getting rid of the clutter in your room. Clean all the corners using a broom or a vacuum cleaner. After sweeping thoroughly, you can mop the floors to get rid of the dust. Allow the floors to air dry thoroughly. Voila! Your bedroom looks fresh and new now. Additional tips and advice. Spend at least 10 minutes every day to keep your things in the right place in your bedroom. This will reduce the chances of clutter. When you start this process, always go according to the sections that we have recommended in the above article. This way, you will work on a particular area at a time. Check thoroughly for items that don't belong in the bedroom. If you find such items, transfer them from the bedroom immediately, instead of doing it later. If items like fans, exhaust fans, light fixtures and other items are filled with oil, grease and large quantities of dust, it is a good idea to call a professional instead of cleaning it yourself.